All I learned today, I've learned one or two. Do you like my handwork? As the first time. See love. See love. See love. Hi guys. Okay. Cute. So, let's start from the lower part. So see it now. You cut gently. You trim, no cut, please. Trim. It's okay now. Just this. She just did it. Once it does, you double work. Okay. And make it lighter than this. This is very well. So because this is the first coating, you add a drop of water, just a little drop of water to make it lighter. Yeah. How to hold? Okay. You need a simple more. Don't tell you it here. This here. You put that on the like this. This is it. Bring it. Put it in the middle, plenty in the middle. Then you start separating. This, if you don't separate, it will not give you edge. If you don't do it well, it will not give you edge. So it will hard you. Remember I said 1, 2. Is to smoothen it. Okay, I find my mistake. I'm not making it. But I still like now we put more. I should add for you. This one now is better. That's plenty. Please double tap your screen for me, guys. 20 cents. 1, 2, 3. In a may up to 6 times. No, the 2, no. Wait, let me show you. Good. Let's see, I can even bring it out. Putting the body. Here's the upper part. I have darker here. How do you smooth it? Or is okay? I can make it. Don't just kick. Let's do it. Okay. It's it. The whites. It's it. That's for this design. I'm going to do that for. Not finished. I'm not going to finish. First mini wedding. No, bless and wait. Going to deliver this one today. Is it fine? Do you like it? All I learned today, I've learned one or two. Do you like my handwork? As a first time baker, decorator, do you like the handwork? Snap inside.